What if I told you, the phone in your hand isn't solid, your bed isn't solid, your walls aren't solid, even you aren't solid? So then, why don't we fall through the floor? Why doesn't everything pass through everything else? Today, we're exposing physics' biggest illusion. We grow up believing rocks are solid, tables are hard, and walls are strong. But modern physics says something unbelievable. Matter is more than 99.9999% empty space. Yes, empty. So if that's true, why does the world feel so real? Everything in the universe is made of atoms. You, me, the earth, the stars. Now, imagine an atom. At the center, there's a tiny nucleus. Around it, electrons move in vast orbits. If an atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be a single grain of sand, and the electrons would be sitting near the outer seats, and the rest, completely empty space. So when you touch a table, you're not actually touching a solid object at all. Then here's the real question. Why don't we pass straight through things? As your hand moves closer to the table, an invisible force suddenly turns on. You can't see it. You can't feel it directly, but it's incredibly powerful. The electromagnetic force. The electrons in your hand repel the electrons in the table. Just like two magnets pushing away from each other, your hand stops. Your brain says, this is solid, but in reality, no atoms ever touch. Hardness, smoothness, pressure, these aren't properties of solid matter. They are sensations created by forces, interacting with your nervous system. Your brain receives electrical signals, and builds a story called solid reality. But that story is a shortcut. Experiments confirm this. Atoms never physically touch. All interactions happen at a distance. Even when you sit on a chair, you are technically floating, separated by electromagnetic forces. At an unimaginably small scale, it feels solid, but physics tells a different story. Now comes the uncomfortable question. If you are mostly empty space, and the world is mostly empty space, then what are you? Here's the answer. You are not an object. You are a process, a stable pattern of energy, forces, and interactions. You are not a thing. You are something that is constantly happening. So why does reality feel so real? Because the forces are incredibly strong. The scale is incredibly small. And your brain loves shortcuts. Your brain evolved for survival, not for understanding the universe. It ignores the weirdness and builds a simple model, a solid world, a safe world. In theory, your atoms could perfectly align with the empty space inside a wall, and you could walk straight through it. Physics doesn't forbid it, but the probability is so small that the universe would end long before it ever happened. So yes, you are solid enough. Physicist Richard Feynman once said, nature doesn't care about what we find intuitive, and that's the real problem. Reality is weird, it's non-intuitive, and it's far stranger than common sense. The biggest illusion isn't that things are solid. The biggest illusion is believing we truly understand reality. The more physics discovers, the clearer it becomes how little we actually know. If you thought the world was solid, you were wrong. And if this video made you question reality, that's a good thing. Like the video. If your mind just broke, subscribe. If you want to see past the illusion, because remember, nothing is actually solid.